Becoming Madam Boss movie Madam Boss will start to premiere on the 30th of May 2026. Varikuiti iyo inonzi the movie world tour. Let me just read what she posted. And Becoming Madam Boss, the movie world tour 2026. This May 2026, don't miss the long-awaited movie of the year. Becoming Madam Boss is finally here, kicking off its world tour at home, sweet home, Zimbabwe, Harare. Premiere details Sunday, 30 May 2026 at Westgate Cinema Harare. Make a date. Don't book anything else in your diary. Red carpet affair. Ladies, step out in your fine dresses. Gentlemen, booted and suited. Look your best. Early bird tickets available now. And my tickets actually going for $20. Then VIP they $15, which to me I think it's reasonable. Muruku say $20 and $50. 20 nenge iri right zvayo kutanga zvayo pa20 ipapo, then zvonzi VIP 50 ndofunga zviri reasonable to me. Amen. And then she posted kuti from village dreams to global dreams, Tarisai never gave up on a dream of becoming a TV news anchor despite poverty and the dyslexia. Her journey takes an unexpected turn when she becomes a maid. But through courage, reinvention, and a little spark, she rises as Madam Boss, a viral sensation. A powerful, funny, and inspiring true story of Taira Chikocho's rise to fame. Starring Tarisai Chikocho, Batabile Dlamini, Michael Kudakwashe, Delish Masango, and Leroy Gopal. Directed by Sydney Vavashe. World tour dates mongono madetse enyu kuti muri kupi and muchaenda here also. Don't miss the movie. Everyone will be talking about it. Nchangotaura Harare 30 May and Bulawayo, Masvingo, Johannesburg 12 June, Cape Town as well, United Kingdom, Birmingham, Glasgow, Ireland, German, whatever, Canada, Edmonton, Toronto, USA, Dallas, Australia, ndo kwarinenge richipremiere movie iyi. Yaita world tour chayo. Wasiwa ipapa kuti ndekupi, but I think kuti vakavha kune maZimbabweans akawanda. Vakavha almost, ndofunga ndosaka vazoiti world tour. Isu tozongomirira zvedu, isu hatipo pese apa kwatogara isusu kuno kumaplaza vati havasi kuuya. Saka tozongomirira kuti after 30 July tichazodzwawo maplani ekuti ichaipinda paYouTube here ichienda papi, because I think kuti YouTube she will get quite a lot of people as well. It's not zvazvo kuti mari yemapremiering I think yakawanda than yekuzoisa pano paYouTube. Havazoshayewo zvavo, ndozvazvakanakira. I don't know what you guys think in the movie iri, but I am so excited about the movie and I can't wait to watch it and review the movie. Ndokweduka kwekuzoti aiwa pepe vakakanya, pepe vakazodaiso dai vakadaiso. So it's like May, June, July, 3 months movie richingopremiriwa richingoenda uko richingodii. Saka pamwe tinozooneswa after 3 months. 3 months zvakawandisa wedu. Takangomirira chete. Amen. Regai tione kuti zvichafamba sei. Pamwe pachaitika matickets sezvakangoitwa kuLost in Ashes kuti kwakaitika matickets aitengwa online, but apa handisati ndamaona. I think kuti vada kutanga vapusha kuti vanhu vatenge kuenda than kuti vozoona online, because kuzoona online kunenge kwakachipa than kuti vanhu vatenge. Pamwe havasitomboita zvekuzoona online. I don't know. Pamwe vakacalculate vakanota regai tione izvo zvema$20 izvi. I don't know what you guys think about the movie. Let me know in the comment section. What are your thoughts? Vasara subscriber, please make sure that you're subscribed, like, comment, and also share this video. Road to 50,000. We are almost at 40 now.